Your phone is off the hook right now.
It is.
God damn.
I'm making
You're
it go to
tapped
bed.
into something. You're tapped into something.
There's a
over
group
there.
message happening. I'll tell you that much.
Oh, see, I'm not part of group messages. That's like a whole other life.
Well, it's a Lemaire group message. Fury speak. I went to this improv thing where it was the 5 Furies. Thank you. There's 5 improv comics, and they all dressed alike as Guy Fieri. So I am Facebook friends with one of the people in it, and he put this comment on Facebook that was basically his interaction with his wife, and his wife saying, "You need to make good use of those like $20 or $30 wigs or something." And he's like, "Yeah, I'm gonna make an improv thing out of it."
He just has a bunch of wigs.
Yeah, and it
Story
was
for another time.
It was incredible. It really was. Like it.
How do you even get a wig for that? We're talking like short frosted tips.
Oh yeah, it was frosty.
He's got a wig for that.
Oh, there's a wig for everything. You know? So there's this compilation. It's 3.5 minutes long.
Are we gonna watch it?
And we're gonna watch it. It doesn't include my favorite chiropractor, but it includes some of them. And one of them has this little catchphrase that is pretty incredible. And then the second video that I think I'll show little snippets because it's 7 minutes long. We could watch it and
Let's
just
watch it.
Okay.
Let's watch it. That's why we have it, right?
Yeah. So the first video, here we go. So this guy's pretty cool.
South Carolina.
Drop in on that right side here. Oh, God. Okay. I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out.
Oh my God.
Okay, Y strap. Here's the Y strap.
Oh my God.
I talked over it. It's okay.
Oh.
Just relax.
Okay, Y strap.
Just relax.
Oh! How does the head not come off?
All right, I literally trust fall onto me, fall back, squeeze your elbows together.
Oh my God.
Okay, this is another doctor.
Nice deep breath.
Oh, I like
Yes,
it.
sir. You had to hit a home run on that one.
Home run. So
Last one of the year.
I don't really enjoy this guy
Yes,
too
sir.
much because
Felt that all the way down.
I feel like
didn't
he's so
you?
scripted in his
Okay, let's
responses.
tilt left
He
a
doesn't
little.
play
There you go.
with it
Tilt
at all.
Right with your left big toe. there you go.
It sounds like he's got it down. He's got some real southern like.
Yes, ma'am. Crack addict's gonna love you.
Crack addicts, baby.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, keep breathing. You gonna feel your head
It's great
pop
advice.
a
Keep
little bit on
breathing.
this next.
Yeah,
I'm gonna put the curve back in your cervical spine from the side. You slide down this way a little bit.
Ah, jeez.
So these are gonna be sore too.
So
You
intense.
can relax your hands on your chest.
Have you ever
For me now.
been in chiropractic?
Oh yeah. But
Okay.
Oh, is
So I
he
want
just
you
gonna
to
rip
breathe
the head
through
off
your
now?
nose, keep your teeth together. Want you to wiggle your left ear. There you go. Yes, ma'am. Home run.
That wide-eyed,
I
like,
know
did
you
he
felt
really
that all the
just?
way down, did it? Uh-huh. Because I did. Didn't hurt me a bit. Okay, let me have your neck here now. Boy,
Ah!
boy. Same
Who's
here. I got
breaking
you
all
on
that
the
celery?
left toe. Look at you. People that say they feel it down to their feet or their knees or whatever, they're just full of it. Because that does not happen. Relax this. I got you. There you go.
Whew.
That should knock your headaches right there.
So just to really, really tell you that I really appreciate these videos. I really enjoy it because the next one I'm about to show you is this guy. He really sits with the person and he just understands. Like, it's not like here's a pill and it'll fix you. It's more of like, let's get to the root of this problem and
Real
let's-
care work.
Yeah. And like, let's understand this together, and I'm going to talk to you and walk you through this. And also, the production value of it is amazing. Like, I feel like the camera
Bonus
is
points.
on some body gimbal.
Probably
type
a
thing.
gimbal, yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it. Hit me.
Dr. Rahim or Rahim.
I
Probably
love
Rahim.
how it's all lowercase.
Oh yeah.
Go well.
Now let's evaluate. So here's what I want you to see, a couple of things. You
So
can
I
see
edited these
creases
videos
are
down.
different.
This
That's
video
because
was
of the
actually
pelvis. This
like
one is lower,
45
this one
minutes
is
long.
higher.
Wow.
When I'm feeling
It's like
the
a training
dimples
video.
in the spine
Yeah.
here, this one is lower, this one is higher. Okay? The right side is lower, this one is higher. Look at the scapula. Right side is higher, left one is lower. Okay?
Maybe
This is
that's
high,
why the
this is
scapula on the
low.
right got the tattoo.
Round your back
Compensation.
slowly, forward. Watch.
Look at this spine.
As you go
Like,
through
that's
here,
so
there's
interesting.
a decent curve in
Yeah,
there,
that
and then
is.
something's not right in there.
Something is
Okay?
not right.
Something is definitely not right in there. You see the bumps and then they disappear. You see that, yeah? And as you
I'm
go up,
skeptical.
straight ahead.
Well,
And the neck
the proof
stuff,
is in the pudding,
all
though.
that's going on.
And-
there is neck issues, but a lot of this is compensation.
she is.
This is a right pelvis.
She like they
major
do this
case.
analysis thing,
If
like
we have a
where
problem in
he
the
sits her back down
foundation
and
the
kind of like
pelvis in the building.
asks
And
her
there's
how
an
she's
issue
feeling
on the
after.
penthouse and the top 3 floors. If we don't fix this, ain't nothing gonna happen up here.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
I need you to understand that.
I understand.
Oh, perfect.
Daddy.
Who's that?
This is my cat,
What's your cat's name?
Fenya.
Huh?
Fenya?
Fenya?
Mm-hmm.
D5, T6. We got about 10 points there. C1.
This looks like tech porn.
Right?
And look
It's
at this.
definitely
Watch
tech porn.
this. I want you
Whatever
to see
that
this.
gizmo is.
As we go down, it looks like it's to the left, but
And
then
then
it
it goes to
immediately
the right.
shifts and it's way down low.
Bro, you're shifting that. Sorry, I'm a
Nerve
super skeptic
pressure
right
or
now.
Potential pressure S2, S3,
No, please do.
T5, T6, and up top C1.
Up top.
Static palpation.
Star Trek
More
talk.
tender here.
He has so
Right
many
here.
different. Like I'm like
That one.
that sounds kind of fake, but
It's all kind of tender in there. Yeah, the base is bad.
Tender
C7
forever.
and C6.
Oh, this one is so painful.
L5, S1, S2, S3.
This one is
S1, S2. Okay. Got it. Okay. So we're
Walking us through it.
determining if we're going to adjust the right pelvis or the sacrum. And
I
what
love
you
how
can
he has
see
a
here
watermark.
is the right side is shorter.
Like this
If it
dude
stays
knows.
shorter when I
Also,
bend
look
the
at
knees
that
to
hair
90
gel. Look
degrees,
at how
we're
much
doing
gel he's
sacrum. If
wearing.
it goes longer,
Good
we're doing
Lord.
pelvis.
It's like crystals up there.
Stay shorter.
they're frosty.
Sacrum. That's where we will start, okay?
The modern art on the
S1,
wall. It's like
TA,
straight up tattoo shop.
C1.
Right?
I'm gonna tattoo your inner body.
You're gonna feel it from the inside out.
Gotcha.
Good God.
That's it.
Wow, with the lens flare and
Watch
shit.
this.
So
That was
after-
clever.
Right?
Clear. T8 is clear.
It's clear.
Tech porn.
That's also less, but still there. Do you see that? Now let's check the neck.
Might have been user error, bro.
What happened up there? Tell her.
Hmm?
2 points. Everything clear?
The other great thing is that
She's going to get the cobra!
well that
What?
Oh no!
You're going to get the cobra! You
So I
watch the
really
cobra
appreciate
on
how he
Instagram?
He does.
brings humanity
It's the cobra
or he
time.
humanizes
Goes
the
and ask him
um,
to do the cobra to you.
guy doing the video. Like he
That's
actually
right.
talks
He's
to
going
him
get
during
the
it.
Cobra. There's a cobra. Is going to
Okay, so
right
now
on
he's
your
playing a
S2.
character.
There he is.
Apparently he does that often.
It's
It's
the cobra. It's a little baby one.
isn't he great?
Over here. It's all about
Sure.
the setup,
Yeah, he obviously
okay,
enjoys what
in
he's
terms
doing.
of the best position and angle.
No, you couldn't do that. You,
Gotcha.
they're more of those. What
Bring
is
your knees up a little bit.
what is with that flare, though?
She's tight. Dude. She's
Is that
tight.
supposed to be like her experience? Oh, she's tight. Is that what he just said?
Yeah.
Jesus, the way he
There.
said that though.
Gotcha!
Oh,
Sorry, but I got you. Home run.
scary.
Home run.
That was a home run, baby. So here's what's cool. How's
She's
the
like,
other
yeah,
side
tell
of
me
the
what's
head
cool.
feeling?
I feel very weird.
I feel violated.
Go away.
it's begun.
Go away.
So still have the headache? Oh no, the neck pain, but headache almost gone.
So the upper cervical is still there. We're going to do it. You'll see.
It's about 2.5
Okay.
more minutes
Still
left.
there.
I'm down.
You can see it right there. 10 points. Still 10 to 12. But let's see the rest
I don't know.
of
It could be
you.
user error though.
You're shaky. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just.
What is that? Metro cope? Meter cope?
Mid-back is clear.
He probably owns it.
Well, I've seen them on
See, it is
other
clear.
videos that I've watched.
Nice.
Wow, this is
Sacrum is
deep in your
clear.
kink folder.
Now I
It
want
really
you to
is.
feel this, okay? Come back slowly towards me. Look.
It's more of a recent thing
Look.
that I've gotten into. And
It's easier, right?
I was asking myself why
Now you can see a smile
why
on
am
my
I
face.
why am I into this stuff? It's more of like the process that I was
Matrix.
previously describing
You've seen me do
of finding the
Now we
root
gotta
of the
do the
problem. And then
the grand finale.
instead of using medication or something, he knows what to do,
Home
like
run.
basically give that person a broken neck.
Woo!
Look at that tool.
Tech porn.
What's going on?
What's going
I
on?
feel like I'm
She's
starting
nervous.
to awaken.
The body is awakening now? Let's see. Check this out, dude.
Dude. Check it.
Look at the shoulders now.
Look at those gains.
Tell
Wow.
her. This one's still out a little, but it's more even now.
Yeah.
Right?
I
Mhm.
You're
guess.
still gonna need to bring that back in.
Yeah, I love how the
Let's
cameraman
check
is
some
like, I'm
pressure
not
out.
paying attention to you at all,
Should be
bruh.
gone now.
Just making sure that the settings are correct.
Clear.
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 2 points, but I'll take it.
That's a home run.
Let's now work with your hands
Whatever.
and tuning up the rest, okay? Elbows, shoulders. There. Shoulder, over, around, there. This one's for me.
Oh, that does feel good. Yeah,
I've never
done
had that
before.
happen, but
God,
I did that to myself once, never again.
I haven't
It felt
decided
great though. It was like,
Okay?
it was incredible.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens over the next day or two, okay?
Yes.
How's the
Come back
distance right
every 2 days.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm
Each visit's
shaking, so
$500.
My dizziness is like nervous,
Okay.
but the dizziness was I came with.
They came together. Shake on it.
Here we go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good stuff.
Dab. Oh yeah.
Wow.
So that's
Okay, he was pretty charming.
he's super charming, and,
Yeah.
and obviously you now have the comparison of the other chiropractors to him, and
Let's get them together. Let's
I'm
like,
sure
make-
that they
let's
they-
sit them across from each other, see what
that
happens.
would be. I would like that. I would like that a lot because apparently I am now a crack addict.
How many videos are there?
Um,
Like, how deep
here.
can you? No,
I'm not gonna-
I don't really want to go through all of them. But I'm just curious. Like, what does your gut say as far as
there
like,
are
how many?
so many. There are so many.
Like 60. That's what I'm
More.
hearing. More. Oh,
Way more.
you can roll deep in this shit.
I can, but I am right now. I'm at the point where I'm just like I'm a firm believer in Dr. Rahim. He-
All right, pledge allegiance.
Yeah, I pledge allegiance to that man. Like he is, I just really appreciate him, especially in seeing other videos of other chiropractors. He really stands out to me. So I told you what's in my kink folder. Let's open up yours. Oh, biker chicks.
Yeah. Is that what that says?
Infest the city
Infest.
with bicycles. You tell me, this is yours.
Yeah, I feel like I'm having second thoughts about that copy.
What?
But I feel like if we get more bikes on the street, it'll be felt as an infestation. I bike a lot. I bike to work. That's 5 miles. I bike for errands. Sometimes I'll like use buses for a leg, but not often. I want to see more people on bikes. We walk. People walk. Bicycling is like, it should be as easy as walking is.
Yeah.
And
And we're at
it's
the point now
7
where there's like electric assist too. Like, let's say you're trying to hang out with Tojo over there to try to go up that hill.
So most people don't bike. Do you bike?
I do not.
You
I
have
do
a
not
car.
own a bike.
Fair.
I have
You
a
go all the way to Ballard. That's about 5 miles. That's about the upper limit of people who are willing to bicycle.
Yeah.
I would say that for me, it's okay because I'm conditioned to it, but for a lot of people, I don't think it would work. I've been reading up on this to get some stats. It's sort of an old report. It's from the 90s. Is there anything newer? Let us know. I would love to read it. If you have any sort of material like this, send it to me. Or how much do you pay for your car? How much does that cost? Let's say you already own the car.
Okay.
Fuck it. What's insurance and gas like?
So if I already own the car, I pay $110 or $120 a month.
Okay. Do you pay for parking at all?
Here?
Yeah.
Yes. And that is, I think, $70.
Do you pay for parking at work?
No.
So, do you only drive to work?
No. I find myself in Ballard a lot.
Yeah, I mean, Le Maire, you mentioned them earlier.
Yeah.
They're in Ballard.
Yeah, they're my every Friday.
So, we're talking like 200 or more a month, and that's if you own your car.
That's without gas.
That's without gas.
Yeah.
So 200 just to have it.
Just to have it.
And then to run it, we're talking even more.
More.
What if I told you could buy a bicycle for that, and it would last you probably 5 years before it gets stolen?
What's the...
That's about how long you got for every bike. So like, don't overdo it.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you're really gonna ride it every day, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, I know what you're saying. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like a lot of the criticisms, they start like this. The weather's bad. Okay, but I've been on Tinder a while now. You know what I've seen a lot of? Technical gear in Seattle. Y'all have got the Gore-Tex. I see it.
I see you in your
I
Gore-Tex.
see it. You could put that on. You could wear it.
There's more than snowpocalypse.
Oh, I did try and bike in the snow. Real hard. Real hard.
What? Like, how far did you get?
I went from here to... Where was that? The southern edge of northern Capitol Hill.
Oh.
Where do you think that is? Email us. Where is that? I would love to hear about that. Where is the southern edge of northern Capitol Hill?
I used to be a cyclist. I used to.
You still are.
Oh. Once a cyclist, always a cyclist.
True. Okay, so you used to cycle.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Okay, roll with it.
I'll roll
I want to
with
hear
it.
it. I want to hear
I
about
used to
this.
cycle. I initially got this bicycle when I was probably 16 years old.
At the height of your emo stage.
Height of my emo stage. And I forget where I got this bike from, but it was an old Raleigh.
Probably your dad,
Maybe.
right? Or your mom, maybe.
Someone gave it to me.
Statistically, probably your dad, though.
Yeah. And I rode that for a while, and then I thought to make my own bicycle. And so I got a frame, and I didn't go much past that.
Did you go? Did you live here at that time?
I did.
So did you go to the bikery?
I
It's
went
downstairs, by the way. It's a great bike shop.
It is downstairs. It is a great bike shop. The people that work there or don't work there volunteer there.
It's an anarchist bike shop.
Oh.
But you didn't work on it.
No, I bought the frame, and then the interest just
dwindled.
It just dwindled, and then I
that
thought
when you
about this
obtained?
the other day, and the funny thing is that I got involved in a scam where I was trying to sell the frames. I was trying to sell it, and someone emailed me. I responded, and they did the classic thing that we all know about now that I didn't know then, which was, I'm going to send you a check. I sent it off, cashed that check in, and that check bounced, and then I was out of the frame. So
I could see why that was a hard stop for you.
yeah,
That sounds like a shit experience, dude. I'm sorry to hear that. The sense of time now is like very distorted.
I don't even know what day
Like,
it
how
is.
long have we been going?
I don't know.
What does it feel like? Email us.
Yeah.
Variety Show and Tell. How long do you think you've been watching at this point? How long has it felt like? Don't check.
Don't even check. Just email that and tell us. And are you in the moment? Or are you not in the moment? We take...
What is the moment? What are moments? I would love to hear about that too. How do you classify a moment? When do they start? When do they stop? Those are bookends for you to go back to
I
episode
love
1.
bookends.
That's how you measure bookends.
Love them.
I'm thinking about how much of the time I'm spending just to demonstrate what I believe to be my own cleverness, even if it's like at your story arc's expense.
Mm-hmm.
Interjecting. You know
Well,
what
that's
I mean?
the dynamic that we're creating, though.
I know. But
I like it. I like it.
I guess I need to be better about really owning the stories that I want to tell them. Because
Yeah.
when you get on a roll, I sort of let you go.
Yeah.
And when I want to be on a roll, it's like not happening.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's we're finding out our dynamics, especially, and not only with our own storytelling, but with each other, and how to relay that information. In this whole process, we're learning about like how to communicate well with that person, and how to be effective to more than just that person.
Harder than it looks.
It's yeah.
Although I'm having a great time. I'm not going to lie.
I'm having a blast. I enjoy talking into mics. Can you do me a favor?
Yeah, what's up?
Can you hold both of these mics?
Wow.
That's how you do it. Ooh, that's a good one. Crack them if you got them.
It's one of your hidden talents, isn't it?
It actually is.